Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2023 Volkswagen Passat, stock number 6364. This ran from the 5th 2016 to the current shape. It has a CHHB 2-litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine backed with a 7-speed automatic transmission. This is a CHHB 2-litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine. Left rear 19-inch factory aluminium tyre, left rear tail light, rear tailgate, no dents, right rear tail light, right rear 19-inch factory aluminium tyre, right rear door no dents, right front door no dents, right front door mirror, right front guard no dents, right front 19-inch factory aluminium tyre, right front headlight, right front door card, right front master switch, centre console lid, automatic gear shifter, heated AC controls, factory touchscreen stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,